Today we are at Arie lagoon. It is one of the most popular hotels in Negombo. It's just 30 minutes from the airport. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, Jeff, I have a delicious dish here. This is named as tandoori lagoon prawns.
Yes, sir.
What is the specialty of this dish?
Speciality is meaning we buy the fresh lagoon prawns, then we marinate the Indian marination, and we touch for the prawns
And seems like so spicy.
spices. Yeah,
I'll take a try.
sure.
Salad. Very tasty.
Thank you, sir.
This is one of the best dishes I have ever ate. At Arie lagoon, is this special something? Is something special at Arie lagoon?
Yes,
Yeah. This dish is very delicious. Please come at Arie lagoon and make sure you eat this dish with this chef. And now we have Mr. Irishan Pereira, the food and beverage manager of this Arie lagoon Negombo. So sir, what are the specialties in this Arie lagoon?
As you know already that we have 55 rooms and at Arie lagoon property, and we do cater for our in-house residencies and the people who are coming from outside to enjoy the Arie facilities. And this is my main restaurant we call Banana Prawn Restaurant, where I can serve up to 120 people at one time. Some of the weekends that we do serve buffets up to 200 packs even. We do have a rotational menu. We serve international fusions and European fusions, Eastern fusions, and plus very popular Sri Lankan dishes as well. So from the beginning, Arie Lagoon, we was very famous with the delicious food.
Yeah, I had my first experience. It was very delicious.
Thank you very
It
much.
was very delicious.
And so that was the experience we want people to take when they are living at Arie Lagoon, because people travel for experience. And we do have rotational menus that and a different day, different theme nights we do operate as well. And main restaurant, as I mentioned, it's open from morning 6:30. The people can come and they can have the breakfast, lunch and dinner and all the meals period that we are serving here. And breakfast timing is from morning 7:30 to 10:30, and lunch we are serving from 12:30 to 2:30, and the dinner we are serving from evening 7:30 till 9:30 in the evening. And this is my pool bar.
This is something special.
Yes, people can experience the international standard, international cocktails, beer, local beer, foreign beers, and the wines while they are using the swimming pool facilities.
Yep.
So we have seatings while people are enjoying the pool facilities. Still, they can have a drink, and the same times that we do serve the other guests as well. Whoever dining at the main restaurant, we do serve from the same bar. And
Finally, I just want to know what are the special, unique characteristics in this restaurant.
see, while we are serving the popular international cocktails, classic cocktails, and all the popular brands, we do have a signature cocktails, which is only you can have it at the Arie Lagoon. Special mocktails, special cocktails that nowhere you can taste it. That you have to come to Arie Lagoon to taste it, and that's a specialty we have it with the crab claw bar.
So now we have Stefan from Germany. He's been in Sri Lanka for 2 long years. So we'll look about his ideas about this destination.
Yeah, as a resident here in Sri Lanka for more than 2 years, I can only recommend come to this beautiful island and visit us. We have everything under control here. It's all back to normality, and it's still remaining a wonderful and beautiful island. Looking forward to welcome you.
As you saw in this video, Arie Lagoon was marvelous and the food was very delicious. And also, please make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel and tap the bell icon. Until then, stay safe.